Hello guys, so this is going to be my own Arsenal profile program. Yes, because I don't interview many people on how they became Arsenal fans, what lead them to becoming Arsenal fans, whether not their papa, their mama, how they take run am. Get people don't explain. Me gone when they interview them, I never really explain my own. So I think today is a perfect opportunity. Make I just explain, make people say know my own history, how they become Arsenal fan, which year, all those kind of things. So the first question, like I said, they always ask people, they say, what is your name, your nationality, and what club do you support? As you can see from my attire, you get because you say I'm a national fan, I'm from Nigeria. Yes, born and bred in Nigeria. You get so that's that. Now, my name is Wankwo Chukudi, but everybody know me as Chuks, so I think that settles it. Now, how did you become an Arsenal fan? So I became, first of all, I first become a Bolton Wanderers fan based on JJ Okocha. At that time, I did very small. I get 17 or 18. I can't even remember. But that's like small that year. Now Okocha, we nine carriers go Bolton. When they score those a free kick, going to do all those things. Like I think the coach then was Samala Dice, if I'm not mistaken. So now JJ and I really make us love. We call it follow Premiership. That small bet never really did now. Yes, so we just follow them. Now, pool, nine people they play. Then before Kano Wanko can actually attract us to Arsenal. So I can follow Kano, enter Arsenal. So now like I think that was in 2003 or thereabouts. The Kano don't did there already, but when we come here say Kano Wanko there, I know Kano for Nigeria a big name. You get so Wanko Papilo, you know all this kind of level. So now Kano night drag me personally. Enter Arsenal. My father no be sports fan. My papa no dey watch ball. If my papa come back, I just dey watch news. You get so me now, I just develop that love. And me, I dey play ball for street, no man, I'm monkey post. They play all those levels. Get so that's so me personally, they become Arsenal fans. So I don't follow them for a very long time. You get I don't experience Arsenal winning the league just once. But then I no really don't get sense as I get sense now. I still be smiling and so the euphoria, the excitement, go be like if they win am now, the way I go take appreciate am, you get. Back then, Arsenal dey reign. Igwe did there, you get. Igwe say na one of the people say he make us fall in love with the Arsenal, but the major person wey drag me enter na Kano. For Naija, they call Kano Igwe na. Igwe is king. Igwe is an Igbo language king because Kano Henry Trent gone for Naija. If they bring line up out, you go find Henry say, wait, Baba, if Henry dey confirm, no even can na Henry gone, but the people drag will be Naija based on Naija blood. So now Kano carriers enter. Now, on the next question of mention three of your favorite Arsenal players of all time and why. Obviously, Igwe, number one. You get so the guy really be like prime Mbappe now. That guy then very fast. They score goals out of nothing. Like they score ridiculous goals. You go see the way they beat defender. 2-3 people will just boost past. Be like crash. We just boost past. Like he makes everything look easy. That's why when I analyze now, I would explain, see, this life, there are errors. The errors of them, Henry, Igwe, you don't pass. You get the errors of them, Aguero, don't pass. The error of them, Rooney, Vidic, John Terry. What is what you going to do now? Once upon a time, John Terry work with that. Every corner, John Terry in a threat. But see today now, so everything get time and season. Manchester City era don't they come to an end. I can tell you that for free. So now waiting the swap now. So that's why Henry is going to be my number one. Yes, my number one person. Now, when you remove Henry, Alexis Sanchez, that guy, that year, man, the guy really impressed me. Like, I did very happy. If Sanchez did for match, you go no. The guy na one man riots. Like, if you know they will say, hey, God, dude, this one Alexis Sanchez no good deal. I won't come take Zoom now. So, na part of the things we affected us back then. Get. If you know they will fear, say, hey, who will come score for us? So, but the guy can come up for our club, can go join Manchester United. You can say, Arsenal better pass this man you. You know, after like the next day, don't tell agent say, she have to tear the contract, man, go back. So in move to Man U, not really work out for him. I think from Man U, he can try. Whether na back and go play, I don't even know say he come up for Man U. But that one said the guy really did very influential for this our Arsenal. Now, since we're talking about person who I like of all time, you get I will not forget. I know I would like to add Bukayo Saka because what Henry they do for us then for Arsenal. Now what Bukayo Saka they do for us now, because since the question mention 3 of your favorite Arsenal players of all time, I want to add Saka because Saka is very, very influential to the way Arsenal play. Look at the attacking side of things. If Saka no dey for match, you go dey fear, go say, hey, who go come bite for us for attack? Then for midfield, you're going to talk about Odegaard, but man, no mention Odegaard. If you say make I mention more than 3, many players still do get. You still get people like Fabregas. Fabregas when he joined Arsenal, the guys still do well. Alex Song, like get some Bellerin, Sagna, like some kind of players will make their mark for Arsenal. Till walk out, a lady master. If you say 75 minutes, now the normal time when I go to look, so how far? Yeah, that one we don't do ja. Eh? We just enter. We just say, a lady don't enter. That I would watch match for viewing center. No be now again, everybody go just balance for house. Back then, our viewing center now, if you watch match for us, no go sweet you now. So we all go pay 30 naira, just enter. The watch and go the banter, it gets. Elere, oja, fun. Those are the watch ball, some of them never really get this type of experience of viewing center that year. You mad gone. So now the 3 players say me really at the peak. Now, on the next question of do you see Arsenal winning the league anytime soon and why? Yes, I actually said Arsenal are going to win the league this season, 2024-2025 season. I see Arsenal winning the league this season. And the next question was why? The why we say, I think this is the right time. It is ripe for us to win them. If you see what happened between we and Manchester City, who play on Sunday, we rattle Man City. Man City have never been rattled in that way before. Man City have never been violated in that way before. Physically, mentally, psychologically, like we beat them hands down. That their psychological warfare, where they use defeat people for their own stadium. We go there and we turn them against them. They just thank God for the referee. And the referee just help them. So I think this is from this season moving forward, we don't really strengthen. Can you imagine an Arsenal team maybe say Mikel Merino will be another senior man. We thought with his head not ball score self will be a midfield enforcer. Mikel Merino never even start his own business. But still they recover from your injury. If that one come back, how everywhere go be. To me, that's what they look at our samurai warrior. That one say, never even start your own business this season. That one see they come. Like, because of kind of mad people for our side, they will say, once they come back, if they see our squad, you're going to say, yes, this is the time. I always say this. The major difference between Arsenal and Manchester City is Eliana. Not be just against us. Against other people. Eliana, they bully other teams to score. If you know scoring will create spaces for other people to score. Once you isolate him from that their team, they go struggle. They go score, but they go do like this. They go suffer to score. Nobody as easy as Eliana makes it look. That's just the thing. And when you look at it, it not really gets replacements because Julian Alvarez already come over Atletico Madrid. But with Rodri, we can't get injury this season. In fact, this is like a boost to Arsenal's title credentials. So this season, say, it's Arsenal's time to shine. So we'll see how everything will end at the end of the day. Now, on the type of improvements, what I would like to see for Arsenal, now striker, past striker, he gets first improvements. Let us get a striker, like a prolific striker, he gets way better than what we already have. Many people they mention Victor Gyökeres. Say Victor Gyökeres now be the next shining object, next good thing out there. Fine, I don't have an objection to that. So Moko get a striker. Very, very key. After striker, another area where we need improvements. Now for the midfield, number 10. Odegaard needs a very, very decent replacement. Very, very good one. Because as Odegaard know our creativity can be light somehow. You get, even though we see they perform well, we never really lose. We make ourselves difficult to beat, but at least that cover. Then once season don't start, make Arteta start to identify an original cover for Bukayo Saka. Maybe cover may not be the right word, maybe competition for Bukayo Saka. You get, we need them. At least Martinelli and Trossard can handle that left side. Then Bukayo Saka and somebody else, maybe Nico Williams, who knows, for the right side. Then bring in a replacement or a decent cover for Odegaard. You get, at least you see get Giorgio, Partey, Rice, and Merino. If you handle that 2 extra slots, they will switch them among themselves. So once this thing happens, I believe the defense is covered. You don't really get any problem with defense. Defense is covered. So once all these replacements, all this improvement, they don't do them, Everywhere don't steal now, you get. Now the question of whether if they give me $10,000, so that I go leave us now, man, no fit to. If you see the love, the love we love Arsenal is unconditional. Like you see this football, since why don't they cover this Arsenal club, the analyzer? I don't understand one thing. Say this sport is an emotional sport. That's why you go see sometimes when we lose or when we draw, you go see a high level of toxicity for the comment section. People go dey para, people go dey talk, Ateta na this, Ateta na that. A lot of some kind of words wey I no fit speak live, F words, like so many things, because why? Most people don't play sport bet. The match we play against Manchester City, somebody tell me say he lose 5 million, how much? He posted it on the comment section saying lose 5 million as Arsenal no win. Okay, so different people get their own different mindset and the way that they see some games. Yes, football is an emotional sport, but for me, I know if you collect 10K, if you give me say make I no support Arsenal. Now on the question of okay, since I know if you collect the 10K, what are the other things where I go really consider to leave Arsenal? If I want to leave Arsenal, if I want to leave am, I don't dare how many years now. I never reach like 19 or 20 years. I mean, that's I don't experience Arsenal win something. Maybe once. So if someone leave, I don't leave. Some of my friends, they come up for Barca when Messi come up. They come up for Barca go join Man City because Man City are winning team. You get, but me, I know they move like that because this Man City once upon a time when see they win today, where we were there 50 years ago, where we were there 30 years ago, 40 years ago, 20 years ago. All these are triumphant entry now, just in the last 10 years now, thereabouts. Where we are there then, when Henry they reign, when Osemorio they back, all those John Terry then Drogba here, Lampard there, where then they. So that's what you need to understand about era. You get. I remember when Pep Guardiola with Messi, Iniesta, Xavi, Henry, what do you call them? Eto, Ronaldo, where they rule the world, they win things back to back to back. Where are they today? So life be, I'm sure everybody the one more talk about Delima, Raul, like you dey wine. She na Inter Milan that year. She na Inter Milan of Kaka. So there are errors. He go come and he go go. That's so life just be. So me, I don't think say as I did like this now, say anything won't happen. We go make me just say I won't leave us now. No. I don't think the possibility is there. Get nothing. Now on the question of if you had the power to bring back an ex-Arsenal player, who would it be and why? Baba, I will bring back Van Persie. Because this Arsenal team will get now. The major problem we'll get now a decent striker. We're not even asking for Haaland. We just want a decent striker that will put the ball at the back of the net. And Van Persie now one man will be say if you give Van Persie come up for Arsenal, you go win league. What does that tell you? I was watching one press conference where Roy Keane, who be that? Be that na Evra. Evra say, Sir Alex called them for meeting. Tell them say, you see this boy buy? This boy good die. But una need to feed him. When they feed this boy every time they feed him, this boy will win the league for now. She never win the league since. This boy go win her for now. And through everybody all ball to Van Persie. And they feed her, they win the league. If say we get like Van Persie now for our team, we'll be Alan now. Person with a boss net, steady on a regular, because we are a chance creation team. We know the team where they suffer from chance creation. What they got know they will see the create chance. We create no matter the match you be, no matter who you are, whether you're Man City, we go still create chance for that match. Now the level we're on there for Arsenal now. So for me personally, if I had the power to bring back somebody else, I'm on that one person, not anybody won't tell me. Now, on my best Arsenal moments, I would say when Ateta won the FA Cup, Alba. Yeah, I believe that should qualify as my best Arsenal moments. Then I for talk say when they win the league for 2003, but I still be small. I never really know anything much. You get I still be small. Unlike say that now, say they win the league now. So Arsenal win the league now. I soon go full everywhere. But well, you just watch. Now, on my worst Arsenal moments, I get like two. First one, I think it was in 2006. Yes, we lose the Champions League final to Barca. You get they Henry them, all those invisibles. Henry, where Sokambe first score, Sokambe score, Barca equalize, Barca can't score again. Henry missed chances that day, like 3 chances on the platter of gold. The same Henry, talk for CBS Golazo show. This and they missed chance. He's not prolific. He's not scoring. He missed like sitters. Go YouTube. If you don't see the YouTube, go check out Arsenal versus Barcelona. Henry missed glorious opportunities, not be one, not be two, on that night. So it's just the unfortunate we missed that final, because that would have been the icing on the cake for the Invisibles, because they did so well in their own era. So if it makes sense, say them win something as big as the Champions League, but just quite unfortunate. That one pay me gone. Now another one we can pay me now 2011. The same Arsenal versus Barca again. We then give Van Persie. I think it was in the semi-final or there, but I can't remember. But I don't know the final. You get, we don't already win the first leg 2-1. We can't happy say yes, at least nothing spoiled. The second leg, any I won't be. Second leg, they play ball. I don't know whether they blow through in. I be waiting they blow. Van Persie can't kick the ball. Just like what they do Declan Rice now and Trossard now. Van Persie kick the ball through it. The referee get a second yellow card, get red. Van Persie don't say, what did I do now? The referee say, why you kick ball through away? Then the score was 1-1. Aggregates 3-2. Arsenal they win. That's what Van Persie come up for the match. Game change. Van Persie now after the match, when they explain, say, how the referee expect them to hear the whistle? Just like as Trossard now they claim, say, hear the whistle where referee blow. Now, Van Persie's argument was, the stadium capacity was 95,000. That was in Nou Camp. 95,000 stadium capacity. A lot of the fans were whistling, talking, chanting, singing. So how do you expect me to hear the whistle when you blew it? That was the argument. In fact, Pep Guardiola for post-match press conference, come and talk, say, after the match, when I go meet and say, go and congratulate the referee. Now, referee given, go congratulate her. Say it was funny, because funnily enough, the coach of Barca at that time was this same Pep Guardiola, will be the coach now, we still enjoy that same rule. But then it was not an official rule, you get. But the referee just feel say, because all these Champions League referees, they don't get patience like all those EPL referees. So that thing, he pay me, don't believe me, like the whole Arsenal fan base, what I know for Nigeria time, everybody they boil, everybody they para, but it is what it is. That one just go. So now, on my advice to Arsenal fans, my advice is say, make we be patient, get, because most people will never really support Arsenal for like 20 years or 20 something years. They never really experience the heartbreaks where we don't experience the come. Maybe say those days we'll get the Van Persie, we'll get bad defense. We see all those Koscielny still try, but all those kind Socrates Papastopoulos, Mustafi, Almunia, aka Aluminium, like just some kind shit packer defense. Unlike now, you get. Where we say if you look at defense, say number one, everybody globally say now number one now be our defense. Yes, so now we could get patience. We never get the finished goods, like the team, the perfect team. We could destroy everybody. It remains small. That's small, I be that striker. That striker then go complete and first. Will complete the first 11. So now little by little, this problem what we see. I don't tell now from far. Say it may take a few more transfer windows to correct all these things. January transfer window will come, then the summer transfer window will come complement her. Then we'll come wrap up everything. By next season, we'll have a more stronger and robust team that will be better than this one we will get today. Look at Man City where they see. Man City have a very good attack. They have a very good midfield, but their defense is whack. Our defense is better than their defense. That's why if they look the team of the season, we go get like 4 players. Then we'll say we get like 4. If you even get 5, they'll get 4. For you to know, say, as they get men, we say we get men. But the area where they take pass us, the striking, that land. Now they give us gap. I got the score goes out of nothing. So my appeal is, let's be patient. If you remember where we are coming from, you will be happy where we are, even though we are not where we ought to be. You understand that logic? So we'll just be very, very patient. So my dear Arsenal lovers, I think it's a fine place for us to call the show and end. At least I don't give my own story of how I became an Arsenal fan and how things they go for me. And also, I still thank all our community members. This is my journalistic experience. This is my journey. I started it in 2020. I don't cover like 3 campaigns. I think this season is my 4th campaign now. 2020, 2021, 2021, 2022, 2022, 2023, 2024, 2025. This is my 4th campaign where I cover as an Arsenal as a journalist where they cover Arsenal news, you get. So before we start, we watch the likes of Corsi, Bavis 14, watch AFTV. I want to say, all these people, and another expert for streets, come on, they know me say arguments. Me, I dey coach say arguments. So yeah, anybody, you be man, you come, I give statistics they want. So from there, when I come study mass com, I did ND. I studied mass com in Yaba College of Technology. I did ND 3 years part time. So after my ND, I came out in 3.33/4. I can use and enter direct entry to now straight to 200 level. So now the idea now make I still get my BSc, still on the same mass com. We'll finish, I will resume my masters. So that's where I am now. So now just be all right, guys. So thanks for actually watching. All right, guys. Bye bye.